the water as I can. You can see it's a kind of a double layered hull type thing. Now there is a core in there, but I'm guessing the last repair job, I'm not sure if this is the core material right here. Kind of looks like wood. It is wood. It's like hardwood, but it's all soft now. Maybe it's a softwood, could be a poplar. So basically the job at hand is to clean the void out. This is pretty rigid. I don't have to worry about that, but I do have to fill this space with some type of core. Probably going to use a polyurethane foam. Got to grind this area out where I cut it. It's kind of a pain in the ass doing it upside down, but you know, it's one of those jobs. How else are you going to do it? It's not like you can flip the boat over. It's fully loaded. I think it's 14 or 1500 pounds total. But yeah, and yesterday I had the luxury of changing a fuel pump in the front of another Bombardier Sea-Doo jet ski. So this week seems like Sharp Customs is become a marina. Yeah, so I'm just kind of wondering after this job what might turn up. I have had some pretty big boats in here. We've done engine swaps, inboard engine swaps. We've built transoms on boats. So yeah, we do it all. So I gotta get something to extract the rest of this water out of this hull. We've got it jacked up pretty vicuriously. We've got a jack pushing up in the front so I can get at that gash, that wound. There is another crack up here on one of the I forget what you call those, the strakes. I think that one's superficial, just looks like a gel coat crack. We're going to leave that one for now and just concentrate on the big one at hand. It's pretty hard to see in there. I can see that the bulkhead has split apart a wee bit. Not really much I can do about that unless I cut deeper in there. Can't really see it, but I can see the hole. I think we'll just leave it. We'll fill it with some polyurethane foam. We'll get our glass back up, make it look pretty. And not really gonna know, probably until he's back in the water, maybe this weekend. Side note, got one of my quarter scales leaving Saturday for Ottawa. Fella who bought it, pretty happy with it. It's just in primer. I'm building him a frame. It's just going to be a static model. But yeah, figured we'd shoot this video while we got this beast in the garage. It's another beast taking up most of the shop, as you can see. We do have another little hole in the back I have to plug. I think it's superficial. I think it was only leaking because the one underneath was leaking. We just did a motor swap. I don't believe we filmed any of that on a 1974 Buick LeSabre. We pretty much put a small block Chevy and a 400 transmission in it. That was about a week's worth of work, dicking around with it, trying to make stuff fit. That left yesterday. Wish I'd have taken a picture so I could show my viewers the drive shaft. Anybody that knows anything about cars, think about cutting a drive shaft, extending it 5 inches, and buttering it up, but the tube I put in the middle wasn't quite the right inside diameter, so I had to slice it, pinch it open, pound it in with a hammer. Now I did counter the weight on the other side, so I had to put a strip of metal over the seam, but I flipped it over, put another strip of metal, not quite as much weld, because this person does plan on driving it maybe 100 miles on the back roads to get it home. I think it's kind of crazy. I would have trailered it, but yeah, that left yesterday. 1974 Buick LeSabre ragtop with a kick-ass stereo in it. We had that pound and some David Wilcox. But yeah, a little update from Sharp Customs. This is our project for the day today. Wednesday the 12th of September. We're going to be picking away at this. And right behind the camera is another quarter scale being buttered up. Not too sure where that one's going to go. If I can get it ready in time, might go to Ottawa. I've got another one set aside to go to Ottawa. He's just doing a static model. Looks pretty cool when I do this. Yeah, thinking, had some people actually asking me about running one of these on a Baja chassis, and it can be done, but you have to get the extended hand frame from the Baja, because this is 27-inch wheelbase. That's about where the wheels would sit on a Baja. So you could raise the body, you know, like a truck. I think it still looks pretty cool. I might actually build one myself like that on a Baja frame, you never know. But, little update, Sharp Customs. Don't forget, share, like, subscribe. And, yeah, just thought I'd show you something new here in the shop. I don't show everything I do because I just don't want to bore my viewers. You know, some of the work is mundane. It's just the same old, and I like to keep it interesting. Boat, totally something different. So, yeah, welcome to Sharp Customs Marine this week. And until our next little short video, I'm out. Peace. Love you.